Hello and welcome back to our channel, Balanced Life Hacks. We are in the midst of our 100 days of 100 ways to reduce stress, and today is about digging in deeper and identifying the triggers. Truthfully, we have shared a few tools up to this point and will be sharing plenty more, but it is time to dig in and identify the triggers so you can use more focused tools in response to your stressors. First, it is important to understand stress is necessary. It is a natural response that has been traced all the way back to our first ancestors. Many believe stress is genetic. At least the stress response is correlated to genes. But stress can be internal and/or externally triggered. It can create physical and/or emotional responses. To truly combat stress, knowing what is the stress trigger is a great way to reduce stress quickly, and choosing the right tool to reduce stress can be a powerful skill and make life a lot easier. Today's tool is to start a stress journal or diary. They are basically the same thing. A skill successful people use is journaling. It is about self-reflection and analysis. Think about any important key point indicator or KPI in business. Your goal is to analyze, reflect over the facts, and create a plan. All of this correlates back into the stress diary. This is different from the journey journal we have talked about many times on this channel. For a stress diary, you will want to start a new journal and have it handy throughout the day. The goal here is to record these factors anytime you start to feel stressed. 1. Record the time of the day. This can be used for analysis. Are you stressed out at the same time most days, or is it sporadic? 2. How stressed are you? What is the level of stress on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being lowest and 10 highest. 3. How long did the stress last? This is another great analysis tool. How effective are you at identifying and recognizing your stress, and picking the tools you will use to reduce that stress? As you get into the habit of using the stress diary, you will most likely see this area reducing for the length of stress responses. 4. Is the who, what, where, when and why that creates the stress. 5. What happened before stress started? This is basically the triggering event. 6. What is your emotional or physical reaction to the stress? Your challenge today is to start a stress diary and see what triggers your stress. We all have it, and keep in mind some stress is good stress, often referred to eustress. It makes us stronger. It makes us more alert. Managing unhelpful stress is a success skill set. This tool will be particularly helpful in managing stress. Recognizing stress is important, but follow-through is equally, if not more important. What do we mean by that? If you know what is wrong and you don't use that information to fix it, then the knowledge becomes useless. Follow through with what you learn. Analyze, then start chipping away at the stressor to reduce and in some cases eliminate stressors that are unhelpful. Create goals and action plans. Increase your toolbox. This playlist will help as we planned to share 100 ways to reduce and manage stress. Now is a good time to ask you to support this channel, and please subscribe and click the bell. Give the video a like and comment below with your favorite stress reduction tool. If you found this helpful, please share. You never know who will need this tool today. We all deal with stress. The 100 Days of 100 Ways to Reduce Stress playlist is linked below, as well as the Healthy Living playlist on our second channel. This video was created with my Humitar. The image is me, the words are mine, the voiceover is automated text-to-speech. I love this video software. It allows me to make clear, succinct videos that get to the point quickly and respect your time. If you want to get your own access to this software, the link is in the description box below. See if it is right for you. As always, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.